Good morning friends. Today we some students of 9 Diamond are going to explain you about the phrasal prepositions from the words make, turn, preside and comply. First of all we will start with make. Meaning of the word make is to build or to construct. Phrasal prepositions are make for, to move towards. Example, before she died she made over all her property to her children. Make off with, steal something. Example, a young man made off with briefcase while I was checking the timetable. Make over, transfer the possession of something. Before she died, she made over all her property to her children. Make up one's mind. Make a decision. Example, I made up my mind to forgive him. Make off, leave hurriedly. The man made off as the police arrived. Make away, allow room for someone or something else. Example, he was starting to make his way in the world. Make something into, alter something so that it forms something else. Example, we are going to make our garage into a playroom. Make it, become successful. He made it for the finals. Make someone or something out. Manage with difficulty to see, hear or understand someone or something. Example, I need my glasses. I can't make out what's written on the board. Make up for, compensate for something. Example, I don't eat breakfast but I make up for it at lunch. Makeshift, acting as a temporary substitute or measure. Example, the campers slept in makeshift lean to this makeshift plan until we decide what to do. Makeup, apply cosmetics or makeup to. Example, let's leave as soon as I make up my face. Be made for, be very suitable for. Example, people say I am made for judo. Make a face, to distort one's feature. Example, he made a face when I mentioned her name. Make believe, pretend. Example, he made me believe that everything was alright. Make away with, to carry off or steal. Example, he made away with all the money. Make do, to get along or manage with the means at hand. Example, we will just have to make do with what we have got. Make hay, to make use of offered opportunity, especially in gaining an early advantage. Example, the candidate made hay for his opponent's scandalous behavior. Make public, disclose. Example, none of those disagreements were made public. Make sport of, ridicule or mock. Example, it is visibly grieved him when the rest of us made sport of our schoolmates. Make friends with, to establish a friendship or friendly relations with. Example, we made friends with our new neighbors. Make light of, to treat as of little account. Example, all these problems are humorously described but never made light of. Make fun of, to make an object of amusement or laughter. Ridicule or mock. Example, the old lady dresses so strangely that make children fun of her. Make sale, to raise or spread sail. To raise or spread sail. Example, the ship made sail at midnight. Make the grade, to measure up some standard. Example, he is clever and energetic enough to make grade in a good law firm. Make tracks, to go in a hurry, run away, flee. Example, she quickly make tracks for Mumbai. Make no bones, to be straightforward, unhesitating or sure. Example, she makes no bones about the seriousness of the matter. Make one's mark, to achieve success or fame. Example, she made his mark as a literary critic. Make the scene, to present or participate in a usually specified activity or event. Example, Kumar Bishwas was a small-time poet just making the scene at readings or in little magazines. Make the most of, to show or use to the best advantage. Example, he made the most of his talent. Make and meets, to make one's mean adequate to one's needs. Example, they did all they could do to make eyes, ogle. Example, some guy was making eyes at her from across the room. Make use of. To put to use. Example, students made good use of the new gymnasium. Make waves. To create or stir or a disturbance. Example, he continues to make waves with his unique, highly optionate approach. Our second word is turn, which means it is a verb used to cause to move around on an axis or about a center. Turn away. It refused service or entrance. Example, hundreds of disappointed fancier turned away at the gate. Turn around. It changed direction. We are going the wrong way. We need to turn around. Turn down. Refuse an offer or application. It reduces volume or air. Example, could you turn the music down? It's so loud. Turn in. It expresses submission. It also used when we are going to bed. Example, I am exhausted. I am going to turn in early tonight. Turn into. Change from one form to another. Example, caterpillars turn into butterflies. Turn off. It expresses deliberately stop working of any object. Example, it is the time to turn off TV. You have been watching for the past 3 years. Turn on. It expresses to start the object or device. Example, turn on TV. It's time for the news. Turn out. It expresses to have an end result. Example, workers can turn out 200 cans a day. Turn up. It expresses the increase in volume or capacity of the device. Example, turn up the radio. I really like this song. Our third word is preside, which means to be in charge of meeting, discussion, etc. Phrasal prepositions are first, preside over. Example, in Sweden, they preside over local consistories composed of clerical and lay members. Second is preside in. Example, 2 members are nominated by their colleagues as burgomaster who presided in succession for a year. Our last word is comply, which means act in accordance with a wish or command. Phrasal preposition is comply with, which means to obey an order or request. Example, all office build must comply with the safety regulations. Now it's the time of worksheets. Fill in the blanks with suitable phrasal prepositions. Let's dash the exit before the crowd starts to leave. Let's make for the exit before the crowd starts to leave. Before death, Sachin dashed all his property to his daughter. Before death, Sachin made over all his property to his daughter. Gang of thieves dash as policeman arrived. Gang of thieves made off as policeman arrived. Let's leave as soon as I dash my face. Let's leave as soon as I make up my face. Dash the TV. I am trying to talk on the phone. Turn down the TV. I am trying to talk on the phone. His bad breath was a real turn off, so I said good night. I am feeling cold. Please dash the cooler. I am feeling cold. Please turn off the cooler. They dash the fastest increasing crime rate in our history. They preside over the fastest increasing crime rate in our history. His refusal to dash the Pope's injunction led to the renewal of the war. His refusal to comply with the Pope's injunction led to the renewal of war. Thank you.